Bollywood red. He is the one who hosts the red carpet. And he has been continuously hosting the IPL. For the past 2 years, he has been hosting the IPL sessions with Virat Kohli, with different players, especially with RCB, which we call Namma Bengaluru. Anyway, so he is here to introduce you and give you what exactly the education is, because he himself is a master in journalism and with a rank holder, because he has been getting the continuous awards from different personalities like Azim Premji and Infosys chairman Narayan Murthy and many more. Do you know how he gets the awards? It is not just because the talent, it's just because he deserves. So before I call him, I want you all to give a big round of applause.
Just before I start, when I was a kid about your age, I used to hate long speeches. You know, Socrates, his friends killed him because he gave long speeches. So I'm going to try and keep it as short and as crisp and as sweet as I can. Before I start, यहाँ पे किसी को हिंदी आती है? हाथ उठाइए प्लीज। अरे वाह, क्या बात है! आप सबके लिए एक जबरदस्त शायरी अर्ज करना चाहूँगा मैं, इरशाद है। Thank you. गमे बहरे हस्ती से गुजर क्यों नहीं जाते? It's basically the tough times you face in your school life during exams. गमे बहरे हस्ती से गुजर क्यों नहीं जाते? जीना नहीं आता तो मर क्यों नहीं जाते? उस पार पहुंचना है तो तूफान भी मिलेंगे, उस पार पहुंचना है तो तूफान भी मिलेंगे, डरते हैं तो कश्ती से उतर क्यों नहीं जाते? मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों दोस्तों, all I'd like to say today is everyone leads a life. If you want to be a doctor, be the best doctor. If you want to be an engineer, be the best. Be a Bill Gates, be a Mark Zuckerberg, or be a Dr. Devi Shetty. Whatever you choose, be the best. Do not settle for mediocrity. Whenever I have been awarded by Mr. Ratan Tata or Mr. Azim Premji, मैंने एक बात बहुत गहराई से देखी है. They are all very humble. जितने भी पैसे हो, जितना भी बड़ा नाम हो, they are always nice and good. Always remember, be modest. क्योंकि झुकता वही है जिसमें जान होती है. झुकता वही है जिसमें जान होती है. अकड़ना मुर्दे की पहचान होती है. Most importantly, मैं जब स्कूल में पढ़ता था, फ्रॉम कदीम हाई स्कूल, मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त होते थे फ्रॉम केंद्रीय विद्यालय, हेब्बाल, KVS, Center, and so many other schools. Especially the Army Public School used to hold Georgian Association debate. A special shairi for all of you, wonderful, bright young minds. I would like to say, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, KV students की कभी हार नहीं होती. Therefore, I'd like to say, how many of you watch the Indian Premier League? Put your hands up quickly. Fantastic. How many of you are fans of Virat Kohli? Put your hands up. Oh, fantastic. You know, I see so many fans and so many fans of IPL. I feel like, you know, the tune of IPL playing going on. You know, with that I want to tell you. Let me tell you something about Virat Kohli, who I know personally. I happened to host the recent Premier Futsal event with him, and let me tell you, what you can learn from him is his dedication, his determination. If he makes up the mind to score 100, he will score 100. If he makes up the mind to really win the match, he does it. Of course, not always you can do that, but 90% of the time he's able to do it. So therefore, I am sure if to be the topper, I am sure all of you can do it as well. But for that, you need to make up your mind. When I was just walking up, I saw a quote of one of the best presidents India has ever had, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You know, You need to work for your dreams to come true. And success. What is success? Success is when your signature turns into an autograph. All of you need to remember that, because today's life is very, very competitive. You need to be better than the other. It's more like a rat race, but I would say do not be a part of the rat race. Race to win, race to go ahead, race to lead. That is what I'd like to say to all of you, each and every student present here. With that, I'd also like to say, Ratan Tata, one of the greatest and most respected entrepreneur. How many of you want to be entrepreneur, businessmen? Can you put your hands up, please? Business, entrepreneur, very good. How many of you want to be doctors? Put your hands up quickly. Engineers. Lovely. Sports person. How many of you want to be in sports? Actors, any actors? Anyone wanting to watch Hey Sultan? Anybody? Kya baat hai? Fantastic. Okay, good. So what I would like to say to you is, whatever you choose, put your mind to it and you will excel. I'll tell you one more thing which Sri APJ Abdul Kalam mentioned in his book Wings of Fire. It's about the attitude you need to have. During rains, since it was raining, during rains, birds stop flying and find shelter. Eagles continue flying by flying above the clouds. Problems are common. Attitude makes the difference. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, have the attitude of an eagle. No matter what happens in life, no matter wherever you go, make your mind and just do it. I'm sure you have a fantastic resource coming here, all dignitaries, delegates from Tattva. I would say Tattva is one such place that gives you an edge over the others. If you're able to study to better that, with the brilliant qualification of the dedicated faculty there, I think that is something which will help you excel on altogether on a different level. At the end of it, I'd like to say with something very funny, वो बाग बागी क्या जिसमें माली ना हो, वो झगड़ा झगड़ाई क्या जिसमें गाली ना हो, वो ससुराल ससुराली क्या जिसमें साली ना हो, वो ऑडियंस ऑडियंस क्या जिसमें ताली ना हो. हमारे जो whoever asked me a good question wins a free trip to Malaysia. Sponsored by Vicky Buxom.
Only one, Mr. MC Abbas.
परों को खोल, आसमान उड़ान देखता है, जमीन पे बैठ के क्या आसमान देखता है. हुनर है तो हुनर की हिफाजत कर, हुनर है तो हुनर की हिफाजत कर, संभल के चल तुझे सारा जहान देखता है.